In front of me is Poco F7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and hit all of your photos you wish to add. If you can't find them here, select Folders and click on one of your pictures to add it. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!